The budget will be welcomed by taxpayers and businesses alike because it actually puts money back in people's pockets, particularly given the current cost of living crisis that people are experiencing. Some of the measures that the Minister announced today would include an increase in the standard rate band of €2,000 to €44,000, a reduction in the 4% rate of USC to 3%, and an increase in the small benefits exemption from €1,000 to €1,500, which would include 5 non-cash benefits that an employer can give its employees. There are a number of measures which were announced by the Minister for Finance today, which will be welcomed by the business community, which would help to simplify the tax code and also encourage entrepreneurship. Some of these measures would include the introduction of a participation exemption for foreign dividends received on or after 1 January 2025, a review of the taxation of interest, which will certainly help to simplify the tax code, and finally, an increase in the first-time payment for the R&D tax credit from €50,000 to €75,000. Some of the other measures that were announced in today's budget that are worth noting would include an increase in the lifetime limit for CGT relief for angel investors from 3 million to 10 million, an extension of the retirement age relief from 65 to 70, which reflects current demographics, and where a child who receives assets retains those assets for more than 12 years, there will be no clawback of the retirement relief previously claimed when the child received those assets. Other future measures that we would like to see in order for Ireland to retain its competitiveness would be 1, a reduction in the marginal rate of income tax to help reduce the cost of employment, 2, further enhancement to the SARP regime in order to help attract FDI to Ireland, and finally a reduction in the rate of capital gains tax for businesses on the disposal of business assets.